Alright guys, so I'm still in Japan, and check this out. I was in Tokyo. They had these grapes. Check out the price tag on these grapes. And they were on sale. Okay, so it's 3,241 yen. So you might be like, how much is that? That is like 35 bucks. Yeah, but look at the size of these grapes. Okay, you gotta see this. You gotta see the look at the size of these grapes. They're like globe huge. So I'm going to do a quick taste test for you. The grapes are supposed to be like super juicy and different than North Americans. And so I'm going to get the packaging off and I'll be right back. So I washed it. Now take a look at this, okay? See the size of my hand? And this is the size of the grape, okay? So that's why they have the huge sort of price tag. The other thing also is when you feel the skin of this grape, it does not feel like dirty. Like if you feel the ones in the grocery store in your local grocery store in North America, it feels sort of like waxy or dirty. These are different. They don't have that weird feeling to them. So let's do a quick taste test. Wow, that grape is really good. Super juicy. You can see the flesh right there, and the taste is a little different. It's like milder, not sour, and almost like I don't know if it tastes like sort of like a pear smell to it. So definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post them below, subscribe to the channel. Alright guys, I'm back. I just wanted to note that it's not a pear smell. I just finally figured it out. It is a lychee flavored taste to this grape. So if you ever go to Japan, gotta try these grapes out. You can get them in Tokyo. At the station. They smell like lychee flavored grapes, and I don't know what that says, but maybe it says that on this, but it is phenomenal. Okay, super juicy. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post them below, subscribe to the channel.